Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ju Travel. For today's video, I'm doing another reaction. This time I'm going to react another music video of BGYO with their song entitled Light My Fire. So I'm really excited for this one because this is another music video of them. So before proceed to my reaction, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like buttons, click the notification bell in case I have a video uploaded so that you'll be notified. So without any delay, let's proceed to this reaction. Doon nata to guys, no, sinushoot yung music video na ito sa Alberta, Canada, kasi nakalagay yun sa description sa video nila, Banff National Park. So na-excite ako nito. So check natin. You light my fire. Ooh, nature na nature. Wow, ang ganda. Ganito lang yun, wala ang ganda. Oh, namasyal pala sila. Ganda ng national park nila sa Alberta sa. Oh, dyan. Ganda ng view. Cute ni Nate. Cable car pa sila. Ang ganda ng linaw ng tubig sa blue na blue. Green ba? Blue. Ganda na boses ni JL. Nag-hiking sila. Hiking. Oh, Mickey. Iba talaga itong magporma si Mickey sa. Fashionable na fashionable. Komportable na si Mickey sa kumanta ng mga ganitong klaseng kanta. Before kasi more on rapping lang siya. Unti-unti na talaga na-develop niya ang pagkanta ng ganito. Gustong-gusto ko tong nila guys, yung music video na to nila kasi sila ba? More relax, parang walang ensayo. As in, be themselves lang. Yung namamasyal lang sila, then plus kanta-kanta, and plus the, yung shoot location nila. Ang ganda pala ng yun? Banff National Park. So, nakaka-enjoy, nakaka-relax panoorin. So, yung kanta naman nila, it's catchy din. Parang, talaga yung trendy yung mga beats sa kanta ba. So, na-enjoy ko talaga. Yeah. Good looking talaga sila sila lima. Yan din ang nakaano sa kanila, yung edge nila ba sa grupo, mga good looking. Walang tapon. Oh, squirrel. Guys, I'm just wondering, kasi yung subscriber sa BGYO is 300,000, but when it comes to their views sa mga music video nila, parang kunting-kunti lang. Lalo pa yung pagbagos nila i-release yung music video. So, kailangan din natin i-support yung BGYO guys. bitin ako sa kanta nila. Parang putol. Ganda lang kung ano ori nila eh. Ang ganda ng view, ang ganda ng song, plus face card. So, there you go guys, my reaction to another music video of VGYO with their song entitled Light My Fire. So, I hope you like and enjoy this video. If you have any suggestion or any recommendation for me to react, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Until next time, bye for now.